She is such a good. Not your days are all consumed now with this puppy.
That's it.
That's what
Yeah,
I'm telling you.
right?
They're so awesome when they're puppies. You just can't stop playing with them. They're so cool. Look at her.
She's like, hey, what are you doing? All right, I'll play for you.
She's very smart for her age. She seems like she's going to be really a good dog to train. Oh, she's going to be awesome.
Yeah.
Go ahead, True. Commence the cuteness.
Commence the cuteness.
Yeah.
Wait, Dave, can you put that on the computer?
I can.
You can?
Yeah.
Oh, look at her.
He could take the full measure. Just one last
She's too cute.
to hold it in his heart forever. And it wasn't
So how many was in her litter, did they tell you?
No. They gave us an email
Yeah.
address
Her
and
number and a caller.
make dead sure.
that know a little bit more about her. So I'm gonna.
Are you going to fix her? Yeah.
She's already fixed.
She's already.
She's
fixed.
already fixed? They
She's
do
already
it that
fixed.
early?
Yep. Yep.
She's already been fixed.
Oh my God, that's
Yeah.
awesome. Now you don't have to do
Oh,
that.
she's also a great foot warmer.
Yeah.
She already had the front line.
They gave
Oh,
her
that's
months worth of
awesome.
frontline already, so we'll have to find out. Yeah, when that. I think that was in December.
I love the eyebrows, the brown
Yeah.
eyebrows. They're like perfect little eyebrows. Look at, woo,